different types of
Okay. Yes. Good morning, children. So here we can start today's class, and the chapter, the which one we are learning now, it is about birds. So characteristic features of birds we already discussed, and now we are discussing some of the beaks of some different types of beaks of the birds. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Yes, Prarthana. So tell me, Prarthana, which all type of birds did we discuss? Can you tell me?
Yes.
I think you have noted it in your rough book. So it is easy for you. Yes.
Broad, flat beak.
Okay. Okay. Broad, flat beak. Which of the birds have like this beaks?
Flamingo, crane, ducks, swans.
Okay. Some of the examples of birds having like this beak. Okay. Next one. Yes, Pranav, don't go anywhere. Tell me. Which type of beak? It is just a revision.
Beak.
Okay, strong curved beak, like the beak of parrot. Yes, okay. And next one, yes. And next one, did we discuss about this one? Pigeons.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And Maria, so can you tell me which type of beaks do this sparrows, pigeons all have?
Short, hard, pointed beak.
Okay, short, hard, and pointed beak. So here Adidev MJ. Yes, Adidev. Can you hear me, Adidev? Adidev MB. Okay, are you dreaming? So Adidev, tell me, why do these sparrows have short, hard, pointed beak?
And to eat their like that short.
Okay, to eat what? Why it is not like a duck's beak? Why it is specially given like this one, like this type of beak? What is its speciality? Joanne Varghese, Adidev, listen. Joanne.
This type of beak helps them to pick
I
up.
can't hear you, Joanne. Say it loudly.
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, now it's clear. Yeah.
This type of beak helps them to pick up seeds and
Pick up the seeds and worms from the soil. Pick up the seeds and worms from the soil.
And worms easily.
Okay. Okay. So did we discuss this one? Chisel like beak?
No, ma'am.
No. So from the picture, can you identify which type of bird it is? Woodpecker. Okay, woodpecker. So children, yeah. What is the food of this woodpecker? Who can tell me? Raise your hand. Vaishnav Bijoy. Vaishnav, after so many days that I am seeing you, I think last day you were absent. Am I correct?
Ma'am, I was there in the last class. Did you see me?
I think I did not see. Okay, that is why. So Vaishnav, be regular. If you are regular, okay, continue with it. Okay. So Vaishnav, tell me, what is the food of this woodpecker? Have you seen woodpecker?
Woodpecker.
Woodpecker, yes. Yes, tell me. Okay, so Sringa. Yes, Sringa. Unmute. Insects. Okay, insects of, yes, trees. Okay, insects and insects. These are worms which are present on the tree trunk. Okay, tree trunk. Alex Princeton, what is the food of woodpecker? What is the food of woodpecker? Wood. Is it eating wood? That is why its name is woodpecker. Am I right? Pecking. That means it makes holes. It makes holes on the tree trunk. Okay. Why it is making holes on the tree trunk? It doesn't have any other work. That is why it is making holes on the tree trunk. Mayasa. Yes, fast. It want to live in that hole. Okay. Then is there any other reason, children?
To catch the insects which are present on the tree trunk.
Oh, okay. So the in the tree trunk, on the tree trunk, see, you can see so many insects, so small worms. Okay. So the woodpecker takes this as his food. So this woodpecker will make a hole on this tree trunk and will take the worms and insects which are present in it. Okay. So have you seen like this in stool, like this tool? Have you seen this tool anywhere, children?
Yes,
The tool
ma'am.
which
Yes, ma'am.
yes. Okay. Who is using that? If you don't know the name, okay.
Carpenter.
Carpenter, Arjun, very good. Carpenter is using like that tool. Okay, what is the name of that tool?
Carpenter.
Carpenter tool. Okay, it is called chisel. Okay, this is called chisel. Chisel. That is the name of that tool. Alex, what is the name of that tool, Alex?
Chisel.
Chisel. Okay, chisel, chisel. So this, what is the use of this type of tool for this carpenters? Why they are using that one? Who can tell me? Raise your hand. Don't tell the answer. Okay, Hazel. So wood,
The wood.
for carving the wood. Okay, what it is? To split the wood or to make holes on the wood. So this woodpecker using this tool for while making furnitures, doors, windows, like that. Okay, so you see it is, if you are watching it clearly, see, if you are watching it closely, you can see the top part, it is like a cylindrical shape. Can you see this top part? It is flat and it is like a cylindrical shape. And when it is going down, you can see it is sharp like a knife. It is sharp like a knife. So using when we hammered on the top portion, when we hit by using a hammer on the top part, what will happen? Using the sharp end, we can break the wood. We can make holes, whatever we want to do, we can do it using it. Okay? Okay, yes. So, yeah. Yes, tell me, somebody. Yeah, Joyrick. Is it this one, Joyrick? It is used to, is it that one?
No, ma'am, but it's big.
Yeah, looks like it is. I think we can, yeah, this one, tile workers are using this one for, isn't it, Joyrick?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, somewhat. It is not chisel. Okay, it is not chisel. Joy, let me spotlight for, yeah. See, be very careful. Okay, it is very sharp. See, in the same way, like a cylindrical shape at the.
I also have this.
Okay, wait, children. Joyrick is catching on that place. That is like a cylinder. Okay, and you can see the other end. It is very sharp. In the same way, but something different from that. Joyrick, keep it carefully. Okay, don't play with it. Keep it safely there. Yes. Is there anybody? Any other one have this one?
I show a video. Mama, you also
Wait. Who is having this one?
But it is not here.
Okay, no problem. Okay, so you understood that. Okay, you are showing the picture of the chisel. Okay, so children, let me show you this one. This like this, using this chisel, the carpenter can make the wooden work. In the same way, this woodpecker, it is making holes. Isn't it? Its work is to make holes on the wood, on the tree trunk. So just if you are watching the beak of this bird, can you see this? It is like the same like that of a chisel. That is why it is called long chisel-like beak. Using this, it can make holes on the tree trunk and can take worms and insects present in it. Is it clear, children? Did you note down this one? Did you note down this one? So fourth variety. Today it is 15th, 11, 21. Fourth variety of the beak. It is long chisel like a beak. See, mute your audio, Achyut. Please mute your audio. Okay, everyone mute. Oh, yes, Joyrick. Joanne, not Joyrick, Joanne. Okay. Yes, yeah, this is the one. Okay, can you see it, children? See, at the top portion, it is flat. There we can hammer it. We can hit by using hammer. And the other end, show it. Yeah, it is sharp. Okay, we can break the wood or whatever we can split the wooden pieces. In the same way, this woodpecker is using it. Okay, thank you, children.
Ma'am, can I show a video?
Which video, Sri Bhadra? Which type of wait. Yeah, about which topic, Sri Bhadra?
Crows.
About crow. Okay, so children, Sri Bhadra, if you get time and if teacher allows you, you can show it in the HH period. Okay, otherwise in the next class, let me see. Okay, so here children, I'll write it. Today's date. Today we learned the fourth variety of the beak, that is long chisel like beak. And example, what is the example? Which bird is having like this type of beak?
Woodpecker.
Okay, so write it. And if
finished.
Okay, so if you are able to find out more examples, it is very nice. Okay. Okay, Joy, Alex. So are you writing it in your rough book? Show me your rough book. Taking the rough book now. Now he is taking the rough book. Achyut, switch on your video. Sri Rugda, I can't see your face. So next one, that is fifth variety, long, broad, pointed beak. Long, broad, pointed beak. Okay, so example for bird which have like this long, broad, pointed beak, that is kingfisher. So you can see these pictures. So in these pictures, Alex, what is the food of this kingfisher? What is the food of this kingfisher?
Fish.
Okay, fish mainly. Yes, Catherine.
Ma'am, these hummingbirds will be in this type of beak?
Which type of, yeah, so somewhat long beaks, no? Long beaks. Okay, so we can check it. So here, Alex, listen here. Are you writing it? So the fifth variety is long, broad, pointed beak. In this picture, you can see it is very long and it is pointed. And in the picture, which it is taking the fish with it, using its beak, you can see if its beaks are not broad, how can it catch the fish? Why it have long beak? Because it wants to take the fish from the water, isn't it? So it is not moving through the water as the ducks, swans and all. It is moving along with the water and catching their prey. But here it is flying over the water, and when it sees the fish, when it sees its food, it will go down and will pick the fish from the water, right? So it need and Maria,
Like eagle and vulture.
yes. So when it is there, likewise it need a long beak with pointed one, and as to keep that fish, it need a broad. Is it clear? Is it clear now? Okay, I hope you completed writing this long special the type of bird, type of beak and its example. Okay, example. This only needed. The other thing, important part, it is there in the textbook. You can read it. Okay, so next one. Wow, sharp hooked strong beak. Can you see this type of beak, children? Okay, sharp hooked strong beak. So here, when we see eagle, hawks, and vulture like this, you can see it is hooked one. See this one, it is like a hook and strong. Okay, why they have like this type of beak? Why they don't have the beaks of a duck or as a parrot? Why it is like so?
Catch the prey.
Yes.
Ma'am, to tear the prey.
Their food. Yeah, according to their the food habit, they are carnivores, right? They are eating the other animals, so flesh of the other animals or likewise. So they have to tear the skin of the other animal to tear the flesh of that animals. So in order to that, we are using one knives and all for cutting, tearing this all flesh. But they don't have like this, so they can use their sharp hooked. Okay, it is very simple, but you have to remember which all birds have sharp, hooked, strong beaks. Okay, eagle, hawks, vulture. These are some of the examples which have sharp, hooked, strong beak. It is very easy, isn't it, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I hope it is okay. Now the other one, thin, long, pointed beak. Okay, see, Catherine asked one question before that. At that time I told we will check it, right? So here you can see hummingbird. See, hummingbirds, the beak is like a straw. Are you using straw? Are you using straw for drinking cool drinks? No, Catherine is not. But you know the use, isn't it?
In my
Yes.
home, there are hummingbirds.
Adira?
Ma'am, hummingbirds will come in my home.
Oh, wow. So, why it is coming? Who told it?
In my
Okay, okay. So, what is their food? What is its food? Hummingbird food? Honey from the flower, right? Honey from the
Flowers, honey.
Yeah. So, flowers are...
hummingbirds in my house.
Oh, yes, hummingbird, it is a common sight. We can see that. So, children, Achyut, can you please switch on the video, or may I know what is the reason it is switched off? Dhananjay also.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes?
Ma'am, in my house, there's a hummingbird building a nest.
Oh, okay. Who is Sri Rudda?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, building nest. So, take a
Yes.
picture. Okay, take a picture.
Okay, ma'am.
In my house, but now it is not.
Okay, now it is not there. Okay. So, children, see the food of this hummingbird, it is the honey from the flowers. So flowers, honey will be at the bottom of that one, isn't it? So they want to take they want to take the honey from the bottom of the flower. So that is why they have straw like beak. Is it okay? They have straw like beak. Clear? And another thing, have you noticed how they are drinking their food from the flower? How it is? Are they sitting on the flower?
No, ma'am.
Vedika, wait, Vedika, give me chance to Vedika. Yes, Vedika.
Fly and drink the honey from the flower.
Yeah, it is flying like a helicopter, right? It is flying like helicopter over that flower, and it is drinking honey from it. Because if it is sitting over it, will it be able to drink?
No.
No, the flower will break down, isn't it?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, yes, Ririka.
Hummingbird's heartbeat is 1.200 beats.
Oh, 1.2?
100.
1.200. How it is? I think some mistake is there. Okay. 200 times per minute. Is it that? Just check it. Okay. Just check it. Not now.
I have a
Check.
picture of hummingbird.
Okay, picture of hummingbird. Is this picture, is that picture is more beautiful than the picture which I am showing it here?
Ma'am, it is drinking honey.
Okay, it drinks honey. Okay, so children, write down. It is the 6th variety. Am I right? No, 7th variety. Thin, long pointed beak. They help to suck nectar. Nectar means a sweet juice. Honey. We can say it as honey. Okay, nectar. Nectar means sweet juice. Okay, sweet juice, or simply we can say honey, that it is present in the flowers. So example, hummingbird. Is it clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so these are the different types of beaks that according to their food habit, according to the place where they are living, accordingly they have different types of beaks. So now take the rough book, children. You all have rough book, no? One match the following is there. Now itself we can do. It is very simple. Match the following. Can anybody say the page number? Workbook.
Ma'am, page number is 2.
Page number 2. Okay, everyone take page number 2. There you can see question number 8, 9, 10 and 11. It is very easy. You can match it now. Yes, Adira. Yes, match it. Oh, don't show it. Don't show the answers. Don't show the answers. Everyone, Asad, after doing it, I want to check yours, okay? Did you do that, Asad? Did you do?
Yes.
Oh, before the class. Okay, so I was waiting for...
Ma'am, I also...
Alex also did it. Very good, Alex. Very good.
I have done.
Okay. So wait, children. Let me spotlight Alex book. Alex, show it properly. Okay, so first one, that is like a woodpecker. Some more back. Take okay. Keep it like. So woodpeckers is like a chisel-like beak. Then the hummingbird. How it is? Thin, long, and pointed beak. Okay. Then duck, broad, flat beak. And the last one, what about the last one? Okay, Alex, I can't see. Yeah. Okay, oh, that is also matched. Okay, very good. So children, these are the answers of this match the following. Arjun, everyone check it. Okay, thank you.
It is correct.
Okay, so check it. Azad, check it. Okay, is it correct, Azad? It is very easy.
Yes.
Okay, good.
Can you show
So,
the example of...
which one?
Ma'am, can you show the example of thin, long pointed beak?
That is this one, no? Hummingbird. Okay, hummingbird. So if you want to know more, I think other birds also will be there, but those are not common to us. So the birds which are common to us, we can remember. Okay, so if you have interest, yes, Catherine.
Does a crow have?
Okay, crow. Which type of beak does this crow have? Just think. It is short, isn't it? It is short.
Pigeons.
Pigeons, yes, because they want to pick the food from the soil and also. So some changes will be there. Some changes will be there, but more or less equal to pigeons like hen. Cocks, they have short beaks, right? So the examples which we can't explain all the examples here, okay? But somewhat we can explain. Next one, that is about different types of feet. That is also very interesting, okay? Different types of feet. And here, children, why do these birds have different types of beak? That is what we want to know. According to the food habit and the place they live, birds have different types of feet. Okay, that is like we learned it about the beaks. Why do the birds have different beaks? The same reason. Isn't it, Aditri? Aditri, Sunil, Yes, tell me the reason why do these birds have different types of feet?
Ma'am, because
Yeah.
they have to climb, catch fishes.
Yeah, see, is it a common, we can give a common reason for that. What is that common reason? Niran, can you tell me why do the birds have different types of feet? Why
Because
do?
of their food habit.
Yeah, according to their food habit. And one more reason is there. What is that?
Climbing.
They place the place where they live. Okay, these are uses of feet. Climbing, protecting, holding food, swimming. These are uses. You can see it here. Uses of feet for the birds. Okay, uses. Why do Hadi?
Yes, ma'am.
Why do these birds have different types of feet? If a question asked like this, how you will answer it? Why they have different types of?
One more time.
Why do these birds have different types of feet? Why? What is the reason? I am explaining here.
Ma'am, food habit because
Only because of food habit, Hadi.
ma'am, place they live.
So you can say it in a sentence, complete sentence. Why do the birds have different types of feet? How can you answer that?
According to the food habit and the place they live, birds have different type of feet.
Okay, Janvi Dilip, why do the birds have different types of feet?
According to the food habits and the place they live.
They have different types of feet. Same answer is for the question, why do they have different types of beaks? Isn't it? Isn't it? So, next question. What are the uses of feet? What are the uses of feet? Yuvan? Yes, Yuvan, tell me, what are the uses of feet for these birds?
Ma'am, birds need to climb and hold the food.
Okay, for holding the food, for climbing the trees.
Ma'am,
Yes.
swimming.
For swimming. For protecting themselves.
For protecting
themselves. Okay, so Azad, tell me what are the uses of feet for these birds? Azad.
Birds use their feet for climbing, protecting, and holding food and swimming. Okay, Dhananjay, so tell me what are the uses of feet? Feet of the birds. Dhananjay. Yes, what are the uses of feet of these birds? They use their feet for? You can't say. They use their feet for? Tell me anyone use? Climbing.
Climbing. Okay, is it only climbing? You can see it on the board. Huh? Is it only climbing that written on the board? 3 more birds are there. What are they, Advaita? What are they? Advaita? Unmute. Okay, protecting them, holding their food, swimming, and for climbing. Okay. Yes. So next one, we want to see each variety of feet. Okay. So in that first one, 3 toes in front and 1 toe at the back. Can you see this in this picture? 3 toes in front and 1 toe at the back. Can you see? Yes. Yes. See here also you can see it clearly. So like they are catching. help the birds to hold branches or wires. Can you see this? Can you see this? How they are sitting on that branch by keeping the three toes like this, isn't it? And one at the back they are catching by using the three toes here and keeping one toe at the back. They are holding the branches or wires firmly. Yes.
Ma'am, can you share the screen?
Yes, I will share it. Okay. So birds which have like this feet: sparrow, robin, bulbul, myna. Okay, sparrows, robins, bulbul, mynas, these all have like these feet. Have you ever known?
Ma'am, you're stuck.
Ma'am, you're stuck.
Ma'am, you're stuck.
Okay, I got stuck.
Yes.
I got stuck now.
No, ma'am.
Okay.
In my house, bulbul made a nest and they put eggs. Ma'am, you're stuck.
Okay. So
it hatched.
Okay, so don't disturb them. Okay, don't disturb them. So when you have to watch the birds, but don't disturb them. Yes.
But in the fourth day, it's missing.
Fourth day it is missing.
Yes,
maybe it hatched out and it took that, or any other thing, or cats or something caught it.
Yeah, I think so, ma'am. They didn't even. Ma'am, you're stuck.
Ma'am, you're stuck.
Ma'am, you're stuck.
Can you share the screen?
Ma'am, you're stuck.
Your video is blank.
Yes, ma'am.